Welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, you look like a Groundhog Day. You've been here before. Uncle Sam put out travel advisory. People react to it, start bawl. How much time wanna see this now? How much time wanna see travel advisory come out and one against this and one against that? Right. Why we keep going through the motions? I'm not gonna talk about it. People that say Uncle Sam a try, do this, Uncle Sam said this, Uncle Sam said that. Let me just put this out there. Uncle Sam, like any other country, have a right to advise its citizens to be safe and careful and careful lesser. There is nothing wrong with America acting in its own interests and in the interests of its citizens. The reason why this is baffling to Jamaicans is because Jamaicans can't relate. Because we don't have governments and politicians who act in our best interest. You see, as usual, I forgot rough for some fellas. People say, look, you start off 2024 on a rampage. You like it. But you're not gonna like this. The reason why I found out is a ball about this, and you know, right? Look what America do, and look what this and do. The reason why Jamaicans have a hard time accepting that foreigners don't value them is because they value foreigners highly. Let me repeat myself, in case you never hear. The reason why Jamaicans have a hard time accepting that foreigners don't value us is because Jamaicans value the foreigner highly, next to God. Matter of fact, at this point, it's a close battle. Who don't care about more? I'd bet on the foreign and foreigner because action take out than words. You know Jamaicans have talked about Jamaica have the most church per square mile and most church per this and love Father God. Does Jamaica look like a quote unquote godly society to you? You can't meet. Foreign and foreigners is the Jamaican God. Jamaicans have a hard time accepting that countries like Uncle Sam don't love them because they love Uncle Sam and the feeling is not reciprocated. That's why you're really upset when you see things like this. You say, oh, Uncle Sam said that. Can you check for him? Or the Canadians must say that. Can you check for them? Or the Queen must say that. Can you check for the Queen? Well, the king now, I guess. Quote unquote king. Get it through your heads. I think it was Henry Kissinger who said it years ago. Uncle Sam has no friends, only interest. One of the most important quotes in geopolitical history. America has no friends, only interest. Kissinger said that. To think you're Uncle Sam's friend is as ridiculous as buying unicorns from somebody else. Okay, we have the exclusive, original unicorn them. This also applies to other countries. Jamaicans are too emotional. Always in their feelings as soon as somebody give them something free. Love that somebody there. As soon as somebody tell them no, me hate that somebody there. Too emotional. Get attached to countries. Uncle Sam don't care about you. Uncle Sam put out their advisory to their citizens. If that one mash up Irie man tourism, that one mash up this, that a fool of business. Uncle Sam care about Uncle Sam. The Brits care about the Brits. The Canadians care about the Canadians. The French care about the French. The Jamaicans care about everybody else except themselves. This is why people get so upset. How can they say this? Matter of fact, you know what I would do? Do you know what I would do right now if I was Prime Minister Umbre? I would also release a travel advisory to my citizens to warn them about certain places in Uncle Sam that can get real spooky. Because Uncle Sam has some place there where not even dog will live there. So visiting the United States, I warn them about places like Philly, places like Memphis. You can't pay me for pass back through them places. Can't pay me no amount of money. Keep the money. Prime Minister Umbre Jamaican government need to start putting out travel advisories on certain places. Be careful because things can get real shaky around here. So America is acting in its own interests. Just like the appliance store. What's new? Maybe we should learn a thing or two. The British, the Russians, whenever you see countries come together and countries unite or countries separate, it is never out of any love. It is always out of interest. We have a mutual interest, we have a mutual enemy or something like that. That is how geopolitics work. This is how they're not ready for the big leagues. But small time. Jamaica is small time. Jamaican politicians are small time. Emotional and simple. Oh look, they offered this. They said we can do this. We're friends. No such thing exists in geopolitics. Get that in your head. There's no friends here. What friends? Uncle Sam is telling their citizens, things can get spooky. Hombre, maybe you should do the same. Maybe you should do the same. And to show you how Jamaicans love everything that is not their own. The statement made earlier about Memphis and Philly and them place there. You have Jamaicans where they are them place there right now I tell myself go suck my mother. Yeah, we boy say, I go suck your mother, we are this Philly. They're passionate about places that they don't even own. Places they have no control over. Places they don't even have a birthright. Tell myself go suck my mama, yeah, this Philly. Yeah, this my place, your place, you own no place. You are a guest in that house. And a lot of you will be reminded the hard way. Much Jamaicans spend much years working, breaking them back. In countries like America, Canada, UK, have all passport and things say, yeah, me make it now. I'm one of them. And then out of nowhere, they get a wake-up call and they're reminded, you are still a guest. This is why I tell people, travel and make on the money and do the work and all things. But do not forget, you are a guest in these people's houses. But you see, they are not guests in Irie, man. We're going to treat them like landlord. Which leads me on to my next point. Uncle Sam, you know this work by now. Uncle Sam, you know how this work by now. You know say tourists not get pressure in the Irie, man. They're supposed to know that by now. So much wouldn't have booked them ticket. Jamaica is a utopia for foreigners. This is why you find people from Europe, from all over the world, Japan, Irie, man, run left all in country, got Irie, man, until they say they nah go back in their own country because Jamaica is a utopia. They love it. They love the treatment. They say the people here are so nice. No, Irie, man, is not nice. It's nice for you. In Jamaica land, we murder our own sisters and brothers and mothers and fathers. The dead left land where we can't even do nothing with anyway. Don't even have nothing put on block on the land. We still kill your feet. Friend kill friend and brother kill brother. You don't know nothing about Irie, man. You are a guest, but you get treated like landlord. Which is why you make such bold statements, even telling actual Jamaicans how Jamaica work. Foreigners can go anywhere in the Irie, man, bad man place, any time of day, and walk out back safe. If a Jamaican, especially a Jamaican, that look like shabarangs, go in a certain place with a camera around him neck, people are going to say the boy that informer look like a feds. Hold on for him, hey boy, where you go with camera? If he can't explain himself properly, he might never be found. But that doesn't apply to Billy Joe. Them all take the picture for Billy Joe. Them don't even know if Billy Joe are feds. Jamaicans love everybody except themselves. Jamaicans embrace everybody except themselves. So when others don't embrace Jamaica, they get emotional. They go on rants. Just like a man who, love off a woman, but she don't love you back. I saw them going. It's like Carlton venting about Kerry. Well, look how me do this, and look how me assure her I love her, and look how me nice to her. She doesn't want your love. She doesn't want to be saved. Well, at least not until the next 20 years. Right. Then she'll go through our soft girl era. Foreigners are the safest people in Jamaica. Matter of fact, if you want to be safe in Ireland, be a foreigner. The cure them put out advisory, it has no effect. No effect. Jamaica keep breaking the record for the amount of tourists who visit. You have different types of tourists. You have the tourists that come and just want to relax, stroke them foot, everything easy, everything done. Now nothing for about. Them got the all-inclusive them. You have tourists where they're more adventurous, they want to live, they want to go here, so they book one villa or one cheaper hotel and then walk around and then eat street food and then go around so and then go link the herbs man, they want to try the local herbs and then them drink the red stripe at the bar and they want to feed at locals, different tourists that. Regardless, them safe. Most times you hear tourists get caught up in something or because them caught up in something, if you catch me drift. Cause enough tourists, them start push the boundaries. Now them start link because them going on one bad man place and the youth them friendly with them and them start link with some man and them all go back and make a link and man I tell them say, yo, send a $100 come do that, make a buy this and then come back down and the man then go here saying, no, say that boy, but that's a link with them and they will let me get hurt them really. As long as them avoid the acidity. Ain't good man. Uncle Sam, your tourist ain't good man. I think they said the crime rate against tourists was 0.1. That's negligible. That's negligible. Your tourists them good, Uncle Sam. You know that too. If tourists did unsafe for Ireland, they wouldn't need travel advisories. Them friend and them auntie and them uncle I tell them that. That would affect more tourist numbers than travel advisories. So all if Uncle Sam want put out level 50 travel advisory, that now slow down nothing. People them want to enjoy chicken and their red stripe. They want the music. Plus them know so when another Ireland, them can do things that they can't do a foreign. When they really want to live a certain life, they can't live with a foreign Ireland then go. When they want to behave a certain way, Ireland then go. And this is a mountain out of a mole. I doubt millions of tourists are cancelling their booking to Jamaica right now because the US government say things spooky for Ireland. I highly doubt that. There's a market for every type of tourist in Ireland. From the luxury tourists to the tourists who want to live like some kind of Indiana Jones. It's there. Uncle Sam, your tourists them good man. What's for the Jamaicans who are so passionate, so Uncle Sam would even dare say this, and we thought we had a good relationship with. We need to grow up. Grow up. Welcome to the real world. America has no friends, only interests. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. PIA, don't know, more life. Vulture Squad, stay circling. Blessed.